The big, bulky and powerful Asus ROG Strix G17 aims to offer a great gaming experience with a high refresh rate panel and a desktop-like performance. At a price of around 1,60,000 Indian rupees, this is a gaming machine that you should pick up. Let's find in the video. Asus ROG Strix G15 comes in various configurations. The unit we received is powered by AMD Ryzen 9 5000 series CPU. It features 17.3-inch Quad HD IPS panel with a refresh rate of 165Hz and a 3 millisecond response time. The laptop packs 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD storage, and for graphics it relies on the Nvidia RTX 3070. Coming to the design, the Asus ROG Strix G15 shouts gaming from every angle. The ROG logo on the lid glows, and there is also an RGB strip that goes around the base of the laptop. Let me show you by switching off the light. Beside these glowing LED lights, the keyboard is also lit by RGB lighting. As far as build quality is concerned, the Strix G17 is made out of plastic. It is just the lid of the laptop that is made out of aluminium, and the rest of the chassis is plastic. However, the laptop still manages to feel quite solid. In terms of input-output ports, the gaming laptop features two USB Type-A ports and a headphone jack on the left, while there is nothing on the right, and the HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, another USB Type-A port and an Ethernet jack, and the charging port are all located on the back. One thing that Asus has been doing on their gaming laptop is the elimination of a webcam. While the Strix G17 does not come with a webcam, the company has bundled a USB webcam in the box. Let me show you by fixing it, and to be honest, I didn't like this fixing of the webcam. Coming to the display and audio quality, the Asus ROG Strix G17 sports a 17.3-inch Quad HD IPS panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time. As you can see in the video, the colors are very vibrant, and you will definitely going to enjoy the video or multimedia watching or gaming on this display. There are minimal bezels around the display, providing an immersive content consumption experience. On the audio front, the Asus ROG Strix G17 offers great sound output. The laptop even comes with a two-way AI noise cancellation mic that helps a lot in dealing with the background noise, while the speakers were good enough for watching movies and TV shows. Let me play some music and show you the audio quality. Coming to the keyboard and trackpad, Asus ROG Strix G17 has a great keyboard with a decent amount of key travel. The keyboard offers individually lit RGB keys, and it does help the laptop feel more premium. Even while typing some random things on this keyboard, I felt very comfortable. Coming to the trackpad, Asus takes advantage of the Windows Precision drivers, making gesture controls on the Windows 10 seamless. The trackpad itself is smooth, and it is one of the best trackpad that I have used. Coming to the performance, Asus ROG Strix G17 is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. The gaming laptop is powered by the Ryzen 9 5000 series CPU paired with the Nvidia RTX 3070 mobile GPU. With such specification, the laptop performs as good as some gaming desktop's computer. And as claimed by the Asus has really done a good job managing the thermals with this machine. When it comes to battery, maximum number of gaming laptops disappoints in this segment. I did not expect much from this Asus ROG Strix G17, given that most gaming laptops offer bad battery life. However, to my surprise, Asus ROG Strix G17 managed to do really well in this area, and as I have seen in many of the other reviews, I can tell you that it may give you around 4 to 5 hours of battery life while gaming, or 5 to 6 hours while normal usage. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix G17 is a great package for the price. It offers a great gaming experience, and given that GPU prices are hiked up, you will have a hard time building a PC of this caliber at a price of around 1,60,000. Adding to the desktop-like performance, it does bring portability to the table. If you are looking for a best gaming laptop at a price of around $2,000 or around 1,50,000 to 60,000 Indian rupees, then this laptop will not disappoint you. Links are given in the description. If you want to buy the laptop, you can buy it from there. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.